today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing box. I am excited. I know like 2 videos ago I just did May's box, and then now it's doing June. I kind of been busy, and I say kind of because I know like I'm not really going anywhere per se, as in like before I had so much stuff going on. I still am starting to get busy again. Addison is giving up her crown for Junior Miss Alice in a week, and so we have a lot of rehearsals and stuff like that. So and I've just been taking a break, honestly. But anyway, other than that, today box is going to we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna try these products, and yeah, so let's get this video started. Okay guys, so my hair is like a little cray, so we're gonna go ahead and test out the first product. But yeah, so the first thing is the Boxycharm theme is Oasis, and it looks like this. This is the card right here. And then of course, if you want to know about Boxycharm, I'm pretty sure everybody knows about it, but if you don't, it's just a subscription you pay monthly and you get like 5 full-size products. And sometimes I say more just because I feel like I've gotten like a whole set of 3 of like beauty sponges, and I count those like as 3. I'll get like mask, and it, you know, it just sometimes they come like right now I have an item that has like 2 things in one, which I'll show you in a minute. But the first thing I want to talk about is this right here, and we're gonna try it out really fast before I put my makeup on. And in the kit, in my Boxycharm, I have they sent me a Kylie Skin. I've never tried any of her products as her skincare. I think the only thing I've ever tried from her is like her set of lipsticks, which I love. They smell good, and I've had like a eyeshadow, but normally I haven't, just because I know in the past like I tried and it's just really hard to get any of her products, so they sell up so fast. So I'm excited to try this. I know I saw a lot of bad reviews on her skincare, but I don't know, I want to give it a try, and it's so cool because I got it in my Boxycharm. So the packaging looks like this, and she says it's a foaming face wash. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, but I want to show you guys the little thing, and I do know what's in my box, that way I know like what products to put on my face before or anything like that. But this is what it looks like. The packaging's really cute, it's really nice, and it's really pretty baby pink, and it says Kylie Skin on here, and I believe it's a pump. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out really fast. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face, and then I'll come back and we'll try it out together. So my face is already wet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pump it like this. It's like a foam. I love foam like face washes. I just feel like, I don't know, maybe to me I just feel like it's like better to wash my face with. Like I feel it more clean this way. So yeah, normally sometimes, because my skin can be sensitive, in times like I can feel like some face washes kind of like tingly, or sometimes I feel them like I just kind of like harsh or kind of like burning sensation. And right now I don't feel any of that. I do feel like it feels nice and it feels good, and I know I'm not gonna be able to give you guys 100% like, is it really good, is it really worth it to purchase if you're not with Boxycharm or anything like that, because it's only the first day that I'm trying this product. But yeah, and it feels really good. So I'm gonna rinse this off, and so like in the box it comes with her little packaging, like her little card. It says Kylie Skin, and then it says enjoy your $5 off or whatever. So anyway, so the next product that we got is this right here. This is by Perlis. This is a Perfect Glow BB cream, SPF 30, oil free moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. So this I'm not going to try out. For one, I don't use BB creams. I need to have a full coverage foundation. 2, it says it mattes and it meets glowy finish, and I already have oily skin, so it going from meets glowy finish is not going to sit well with me. It's going to look like I'm a really like glazed donut, and so I'm not going to be trying this product because again, I don't do BB creams and I don't do anything that's going to give me a glow finish. So yeah, so they comes with this little thing right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I will be back with the rest of the products, because the rest of the products that are in this box is gonna go with after my makeup is done, and it's just kind of like a, you know, anyway, you'll see. I'll be right back, and yeah, we'll get started. So the next product that I got is Lily Lashes. This is a triple mascara, and I've heard of Lily Lashes before. I want to know if I even own a pair of Lily Lashes, but I hear really good things about them. So they came out with mascara, so that's pretty cool. I didn't even know they had a mascara. And this one, let's get the little thing out, is $24. And I don't even know if I told you about Kylie Skin, which is $24 as well. This is what the mascara looks like. I think it's really cool. It's pretty, and it's like, I don't know, it's just neat and matte and black, like sleek. I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm so happy I got a mascara because I'm like needing a new mascara. And I'm just gonna apply this to my lashes before I put my falsies on. I don't know if it's just me, but do you guys ever feel like you just love, you know, like that new car scent or that new car feel, kind of like a new feeling of like a new mascara? I don't know if that makes any sense to anybody, but I love that feeling. It's like a whole new feeling and a whole new game. So I'm just applying this, and then I like it to be on my lower lash line. And it looks like it's just a smear, or like I had like a crazy night or something. I mean, mascara's okay. I don't see, it's really hard with me to find like a good mascara that I'm just kind of like, oh my freaking goodness, you know. But I do see like a link to this. I feel like I can see a link to it. I'm like just double coating it, and I don't know, like it's just, I know there's like good drugstore mascaras out there as well. I used to remember which ones they were, but I haven't. And think this isn't bad. It's really nice. I needed a new mascara, like literally. Like, guys, so the next product is a lip liner and lip gloss. This is by Gata, or no, I want to say Gata Beauty. It's CAB. CAB, I think is what it is, basically is CAB Cosmetics. It's cruelty free, and it has a little logo right there, and then it has a name. So I guess it's like 3 people that kind of came together and made their own company, I'm assuming, because it does say Kim, Ariana, and Brielle, and so it says like the name of the initials. So it's like Kim, Ariana, and Brielle, so it's like CAB, which is pretty cool. I never heard of this company before. And this right here is for $40. So I'm gonna show you guys the color. The color is really pretty. And but okay, so this is the lip product, which is a really pretty lip, a really pretty pink. You can tell, like, when I haven't done a video in a long time, like I'm all like tongue twisted and can't even speak. My lash glue is like kind of like sticking to my lower. Anyway, it's like this color right here, and it's like really pretty. And then it also comes with a lip liner. And again, I never really use lip liners. I just don't, but we're gonna do that anyway. And this is the matching lip liner to go with it. It kind of looks like a little bit darker, but we're gonna try this out. So let's try this out together. Will do that, but I don't. And then this thing is like a big one. It's like a big applicator. So I like the color so far, and I like this big applicator, to be honest. Like, it really like covers my lips like with one application. It's just kind of hard to push down, and I don't know if it's matte or not. It doesn't really tell me. I know the shade is Charming, and it's just like lip gloss, lip liner, so I'm assuming it's just a gloss, but like glossy lips, but I like it. I have enough setting spray, setting whatever, and yeah, I've got quite a collection since we've been quarantined. I've just been buying a bunch of setting sprays. But yeah, I tried this before? Yes, like a long time ago. But I would want to say it was a different one of them, but I can't remember. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because for sure I need it, because it is extremely hot outside. And this is for $32. So we're gonna go ahead and set this. Okay. So that is that. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, if you got this box, let me know what was your favorite. My favorite, I don't know. Honestly, I like everything that's in it. I can't really say anything about the skincare, like if it's working or anything, because it's only been one day, but I do like everything that's in my box this month. I actually really do like it. And yeah, so if you are subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know what you got. I know sometimes it's like we either get like a different shade of lipstick, or we kind of get something, one or two things differently, but I'll let me know what your favorite if you are with Boxycharm. Other than that, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.